All right, everyone, listen up, because this is some pretty big news in the AI world. Perplexity is giving away its Pro subscription, a full year of it, completely free. So in this explainer, we're going to break down exactly what this tool is, how you can grab this offer, and why you really, really don't want to miss out.
Let's be real. If you use AI for research, coding, or even just creating content, you know that those premium tools can get expensive, right? Well, this offer just smashes that price barrier for a whole year. You get full access to a seriously powerful AI research assistant without paying a dime.
Now, this is an offer for pretty much everyone, but here's the catch. It's not going to last forever. It's a limited time deal. We'll talk about the exact deadline a little later, but before we get into the nitty-gritty of how to get it, let's talk about what you're actually getting.
So first things first, what even is Perplexity Pro? You might have heard it called an answer engine or an intelligent browser. That sounds cool, but what does it actually mean for you? Okay, so think about a normal search engine. You type something in, and it just throws a bunch of blue links at you, right? Perplexity is totally different. It's more like a personal research assistant. You can tell it, hey, summarize the main points from these 3 articles, and boom, it does the work for you, puts it all together, and even tells you where it got the info. And its abilities are super broad. For instance, you can drop a link to a super long, dense academic paper or a PDF and just ask for a quick summary. It can even pull the key ideas out of a YouTube video. It's an amazing tool for just chewing through information from all over the place. All right, ready to get your free year? Let's walk through the mission. It's actually really simple, and it all comes down to one key partnership. Here's the one thing you need, a PayPal account. That's it. Perplexity has teamed up with PayPal to make this whole thing work. So if you've got one, you're pretty much good to go, and this will be super fast. Okay, it's a simple 4-step process. First, you're going to use the special link down in the description. That takes you to the offer page. From there, you just connect your PayPal account to prove you're you. They'll send a quick 6-digit code to your phone, you pop that in, and bam, 12 months of Pro are all yours. Oh, and it gets better. On top of the full Pro subscription, they're also throwing in a bonus reward, access to Perplexity's AI email assistant. So what does this do? Well, it plugs right into your inbox and basically acts like your own personal secretary. It can organize your emails, manage your calendar and meetings, draft replies for you, and even figure out which emails are actually important. This is a huge bonus on top of an already great deal. So, now that you've got it, what new superpowers do you actually have? Let's take a quick tour of what makes the Pro version so, well, Pro. One of the biggest perks of Pro is that you get to choose your AI model. You see, different AIs are good at different things. GPT-4 is a beast at reasoning, while Claude 3 Opus is fantastic for creative writing. With Pro, you can switch between these top-tier models, like Llama 3 and others, to get the absolute best answer for whatever you're asking. But that's not all. You also unlock other killer features. There's a comprehensive search mode that digs way deeper for those really tough questions. You can connect it to your Google Drive or Dropbox so it can analyze your own documents. And you can even build your own little personalized AI agents for tasks you do all the time. Okay, let's talk about the most important part. The clock is ticking. This amazing offer isn't going to be around forever. There's a hard deadline. And just to give you an idea of how valuable this is, people are already trying to sell access to this free offer online. That's right. It just shows you how good of a deal this is, which makes getting it directly for free a no-brainer. Yep, a full year. That's 12 months of access to all those awesome Pro features we just talked about. But again, you've got to pay attention to that expiration date. So here it is, plain and simple. You can claim your free year right now. But at the end of December 2025, this deal is gone. Forever. After that date, this promotion is over. So there you have it. That's the complete breakdown of this incredible free Perplexity Pro offer. We've gone over what it does, exactly how to get it, and when it disappears. The link is right there in the description. So really, the only question left is, are you going to grab this opportunity?